Hey guys, wanna know how to use the stream train in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. So it's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to simply head towards this location of the map right here. So I'll show you this map right here. So make sure you are on this location of the map, which is the other home. The other home is the main Steampunk Frontiers event map. So make sure you are there. And once you've done that, just simply head towards the middle right here. So just simply select this right here, and after that your train should pop up and it should look something like this. And after a while your train should start departing. So right here it says the epoch cargo is about to depart. So this is your steam train that is about to depart. So that's it. That's how you use steam train. Now your steam supply crate also has been fully charged, and you can just use it simply by opening this right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.